Hi there, welcome to our guide on quitting porn addiction using motion. Today we are going to walk through how to use this powerful tool to get in control of the arts and managing your goals and cultivating positive mindset for the long-term success. Okay, first thing first. Let's understand the framework. We have dived into three main sections: control, management, and mindset. And this each section plays a crucial role in your journey to recover. Okay, now in the control section, you'll find tool to help you identify and manage your urges. Start with the daily urges at this section, which automatically generate a new cue each day. You just need to simply add details about your cue, curvings, and curvings response, yeah, next response and the reward. As you can see, and this can effectively manage your urges. For next step is the management section. Here you will set tasks, goals, and the vision for your life. Using the My Tasks section to manage your daily tasks, track your progress towards your goal in the My Goal section. Don't forget to set detailed vision about your future self in the vision section. Okay, there are three main sections: my task section, my goals section, my vision section. Don't forget the three. Finally, we have the mindset section. This is where you will focus on self-reflection and journalizing. Using the log section, yeah, the log section to record your daily progress and experience, and take time to reflect on and write the journal section, like journalize your day from top, from morning to even top to bottom. Write it down. Just write it. Yeah, just just go for it. And that's it, folks. By following these simple tips, you can effectively use the Notion tablet to quit porn addiction and cultivate a positive mindset for the long term success. Simple as that.